What's up guys, in this video, let's perform my water test on the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 and see if it can survive rain or similar water accidents. From this video, you can get a fair idea about what to expect if your device comes in contact with water in case of rain or water accidents. And since the Zenfone Max Pro M2, like any other budget device, does not have waterproof features, let's see what happens. Continuing with the water test and checking the layer of oleophobic coating on this Gorilla Glass 6 protection, everything seems fine since the water is forming droplets on the glass protection. In phones without this oleophobic layer, like the Vivo V9 Pro, Oppo A3s or every Realme device, water tends to stick to the glass surface instead of rolling off and also doesn't help in reducing fingerprint smudges. Let's hope the Max Pro M2 is able to reach the light splashing round and then to heavy drenching. After performing many tests for the channel, the most common reaction to water is distorted and low audio via the external speakers, which may last for a few seconds to several hours and can permanently damage the sound unit. Apart from that, there were other cases like the Redmi Y2's display going blank for 14 hours or the screen getting damaged on the Asus Zenfone 5Z due to water seepage issues. So what will happen with the Zenfone Max Pro M2? Unfortunately, the Zenfone Max Pro M2 behaves somewhat similar to the Max Pro M1 and the audio output was getting instantly affected. The low distorted audio took about 25 minutes to become normal and any prolonged exposure may cause irreversible damage to the sound unit.